You only need 20,000 Kenya shillings. Stop complaining and start these 5 businesses in 2026. Let me tell you something most Kenyans don't want to hear. You're not broke because Kenya is hard. You are broke because you're lazy, comfortable, and addicted to excuses. Every day I hear Kenyans say, nikipata capital nitaanzisha biashara. You need millions? While someone else is making money by just starting with Kenya shillings 20,000. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 business opportunities you can be able to start with just 20,000 Kenya shillings. No excuses, no motivational speak, just reality and grinding. So business number 1 is Mitumba selling business. Most Kenyans think that biashara mitumba ni ya poor people. That's not the case. Mitumba business can be sold by anyone. If you got your 20,000 Kenya shillings, just look for the trendy jeans, sneakers, kids clothes, and the women tops and start selling from your estate. You can even sell using your online platform like TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp status. You market every single day and start selling. You can even go hawking. There are people who hawk these clothes and they are making a lot of money. So don't just be lazy. Start selling today and you make a lot of money. You can convert your 20,000 Kenya shillings to even 30,000, 50,000 by a single bale. And by the time you open your next bale, you'll be surprised how much money you can be able to make. So start today and stop complaining, stop giving excuses, and you make a lot of money. Number 2, biashara ya mayai na Smokie pasua. Did you know that most of these guys that sell Smokie and mayai, they earn a lot of money, more than most of the graduates that are sitting in an office being paid 20,000, 15,000, or when they get paid a lot of money, it's 30,000. Mse wa mayai pasua makes not less than 40 to 45 depending with their location. So if you start today, you only need a trolley, stock itself, the mayai and the Smokie, charcoal, and just basic items. You can buy all these items with less than 10,000 Kenya shillings, and then you start your business. One trolley, if it's packed very well, a full trolley gives you a profit of 1,500 Kenya shillings. Just sell one trolley per day and you'll be able to make a cool 45,000 Kenya shillings. Nani ana making 45,000 Kenya shillings net? In this country, nani analipo hiyo mshahara? Hakuna. So, if you start this business and you get yourself the location very well, in a busy stage, bus stage, or outside a college, or maybe in a busy estate, those streets that are very busy, just locate yourself in a place that there is a lot of visibility and be clean. Number 3 is online reselling business. If you're smart enough to be able to sell things like fashion, furniture online without having to hold stock, this business for you. All you need is a reliable supplier. Like if you're selling fashion like me, you only go to Isli and talk to the suppliers and they give you the models, or you take pictures from their shop and you resell online. You post on your social media like Instagram, Facebook, and your WhatsApp status, and whenever you get a customer, they pay, and then you go buy the product and deliver to the customer. If you're honest enough, like me, I am very honest, I think I'm the honest person on this planet Earth, you will make a lot of money by just reselling items online. You are like a middleman. Yeah, you go research or find products that people do not know where they are, and then you help them get to their doorstep, and you make a lot of money. You are solving a problem. Someone is busy, they don't have time to go to Mitumba, they don't have time to go to Isili, to town, to find all these items. You have time. You go buy the items and take them to the customer, and they will pay you very well. Okay, so start today and you make a lot of money and thank me later. Business number 4, car wash business. Right now it's rain season in Kenya. It's raining even right now, and cars are getting dirty every single day. Kawa ni mse wa car wash, you are making a lot of money because washing one car can cost around 200, 300. Just wash like 10 cars. You've made your cool 300 Kenya shillings. If you subtract your expenses, shampoo and other expenses, and most of the car wash are outside. There is no rent that you're gonna pay, so you can easily make 2,000 Kenya shillings. Cool money, especially right now during the rain season. You can even wash more than 20-30 cars in a single day. So all you need to do is buy the machine and locate yourself in a street where most of the cars or most of the people they use that route. Utatengeneza pesa. So start today. Just use your 20,000 cash shillings, go buy the machine, and maybe rent a small space if you have to rent. Yeah, but most of the car wash they are free. You just need to locate yourself in a busy road. Unatafuta tu space pale Thika road or whichever place that you are, and just make a shade and you start washing cars and making money every single day. Number 5 is farming, and specifically broiler chicken. With your 20,000 Kenya shillings, you can buy like 20 chicks, and in 6 to 8 weeks, you can be able to resell the same chicks for 600 or 800 Kenya shillings. You just need to sell to restaurants and butcheries or sell to people in the estate. Chicken is consumed every single day. Yeah, even if you walk in the streets of Nairobi, you'll see people selling chicken meat on the street roads. Yeah, that's how people love chicken. Yeah, kama wewe mtu wa Ingoko, Waluya, na not Waluya peke yake. Most people love chicken. So if you do that kind of farming business, yeah, kama uko na space Nairobi, or maybe you can do it in Ushago. You can do it from your village and transport this chicken to the city and sell. Sometimes you don't even need to transport them to the city, because you can even sell locally from your village and you make a lot of money. Okay, so if you got your 20,000 cash shillings, go buy your chicks from Camry or whichever place that you gotta buy from. There are so many suppliers, and start rearing chicken today. And most important thing is that you need to be very careful so that you don't get what do you call them, those diseases that kind of kill chicken. As a small and you grow and you find yourself with a big space where you're taking care of a lot of chicken, you're getting a lot of orders. Ruto alianza kama mtu wa kuuza kuku. By the way, a good example, our president President William Ruto started by selling chicken. Right now he's the biggest chicken farmer in this country. So that tells you something. You can start this business and it will take you to even the level of being a president in this country. Okay, start today and you thank me later. So from this conversation, one thing that is very clear is not about the capital. It is about your mental shift from realizing that there is no small business, from realizing that you don't need a lot of capital to start a business. All you need is to look for a problem that needs solution and provide that solution. Someone who is busy, that they don't have time to go and they buy clothes from easily. All you need is to just take a picture of that cloth and market it online. And someone else who needs that cloth will pay you to go and get them that cloth. So don't be comfortable. Don't be addicted to giving excuses. Start small. Start being fearless. That's one thing that most people they're afraid of being seen doing some small business. They're afraid of being seen on the street roads selling Smokie and mayai pasua. While people are making money on those kind of business you think they are dirty, on those kind of business that you think they are small or don't want to get dirty, going to Gikomba to look for those bills, my friend, money is where people are afraid to go. Those kibanda business that most people do not want to go to Marikiti to go and take vegetables, that's where money is. That's where the problem is, and that's the solution you need to provide and make money from it. Yes, very true. So guys, if you like my video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and tell me what kind of business are you gonna start, or which amongst the 5 that you've already started, and how is it faring with you. Okay, so thank you so much. My name is JM Kaundo. I didn't introduce myself, by the way. Coming live from Nairobi, Kenya. So if you like my content, kindly subscribe. We talk about business, investing and real estate. So if that is the kind of information you want to learn about Nairobi, about Kenya and Africa and the rest of the world, be sure to join this community and let's grow together. Thank you so much and see you on the next one. Goodbye.